Hello kids, today in this video we will learn 10 vehicle names with their spelling. So first I am going to write bicycle. Spelling of bicycle is B I C Y C L E. Bicycle. Remember the spelling kids? B I C Y C L E. Bicycle. After bicycle, I am going to write car. C A R. Car. Remember the spelling kids? Car. C A R. Car. After car, I am going to write bus. Spelling of bus is B U S. Bus. B U S. Bus. Remember the spelling? After bus, I am going to write boat. Spelling of boat is B O A T. Boat. Remember the spelling? B O A T. Boat. Boat is a water transport vehicle. After boat, I am writing ship. S H I P. Ship. Ship is also an water transport vehicle. After ship, I am going to write helicopter. Number 6, I am going to write helicopter. Spelling of helicopter is H E L I C O P T E R. Helicopter. Spelling of helicopter is H E L I C O P T E R. Helicopter. After helicopter, I am going to write aeroplane. A E R O P L A N E. Aeroplane. Aeroplane is an air transport vehicle. After aeroplane, I am going to write ambulance. A M B U L A N C E. Ambulance. Ambulance is a medical vehicle or emergency vehicle. After ambulance, I am going to write crane. C R A N E. Crane. Remember the spelling? C R A N E. Crane. After crane, I am going to write tractor. Number 10, tractor. Spelling of tractor is T R A C T O R. Tractor. Tractor is a vehicle that is used in agriculture. Remember the spelling of tractor? T R A C T O R. Tractor. So today in this video we have learned 10 vehicle names. Hope you liked the video and please try to remember these names. Okay. Thank you kids.